Movementism. Vivid beauty, new Silvia. Excellent handling responds to the dynamic movement of kicking the ground. The birth of the new Silvia, which awakens your forgotten instinct for running. We want you to enjoy the ultimate pleasure of driving this beautiful car, and the thrill of driving that only a shaped body FR can offer. Sports, Silvia. Now, a new beauty is starting to emerge. Turbo power that extends all the way to the top-end SR20 DET to take advantage of the best conditions of a 5-number body plus FR and make the ride even more exciting. Silvia chose a twin-cam turbo SR20 DET as the power source. 16 based on the valve twin-cam SR20DE, it is equipped with a high-precision turbocharger that can always obtain the optimum boost pressure. It brings out its full potential. Especially when combined with a 6-speed manual, it reduces exhaust resistance, and by adopting a large flow fuel injector and increasing the efficiency of the turbocharger, we have achieved an outstanding turbo power of 250 PS. It is a high-performance engine that easily extends to the top end and provides a thrilling driving sensation. Turbocharger that creates a sharp start and linear acceleration feeling ball-bearing turbocharger with low friction loss. First, the interface has significantly improved heat dissipation. Install a cooler and dramatically increase cooling efficiency improved. Think about it in every driving scene. You can get the sharp feeling of acceleration you want. Sharp and torquey driving throughout the entire range. SR20DE. In addition to the compact combustion chamber and optimal port shape, the 16-valve twin-cam SR20DE uses a highly responsive NVCS, variable valve timing control system, to deliver the sharp response and linear acceleration performance characteristic of twin-cam engines. The 5-speed manual transmission aims to further improve output by reducing exhaust resistance. In addition, vehicles equipped with the SR20DE engine are LEV specs, which reduce exhaust emissions to 1/10 of the regulatory value thanks to improved catalyst performance. You can control the car at a high level, 6-speed manual, in order to bring out the maximum performance of the high-performance twin-cam turbo SR20 DET. We have adopted a newly developed lightweight transmission, 6-speed manual, that allows you to select a more appropriate shift position. The cross-gear ratio enables effective transmission of driving force and provides excellent power performance both when starting and during intermediate acceleration. Furthermore, triple cone synchronization has been adopted to significantly increase synchronization capacity in first, second, and third gears. Combined with improved shift rigidity, this provides a lighter and crisper shift feel. Additionally, fuel efficiency and quietness are at a high level thanks to the high gearing of the 6-speed overdrive. With its flexible operability, you can fully experience the fun of operating a car with manual shifts. Quick and smooth operation. 5-speed manual. The SR20DE vehicle is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission that enables quick gear changes with less force. Double cone synchronization is used in second speed, which nearly doubles the amount of synchronization without changing the synchronization space. This makes shifting operations smoother. Full-range electronically controlled 4-speed automatic for smooth-running automatic that automatically selects the optimal shift schedule depending on driving conditions. Fine gear changes provide smooth driving with almost no shift shock. FR4 enjoying driving. The characteristics of a sports car are its agile and nimble driving and crisp movements with tight turning corners. Sticking to its origins, the Silvia has further matured the FR model, which allows you to freely control the car through steering and accelerator work. Front strut suspension. The front wheel uses a strut type that is lightweight and has a rational design. By changing the geometry and increasing rigidity, it provides excellent handling stability both when turning and when going straight. Rear multi-link suspension. A multi-link suspension system is installed on the rear wheels to take advantage of the greatly improved power performance. The structure consists of multiple links, allowing the entire system to receive input from the road surface and ideally control tire movement. The riding performance has been further improved by increasing the rigidity of each part of the rear suspension. Sports-tuned suspension, front and rear, suspension with improved suspension characteristics and increased rigidity equipped with a pension. Electric super hikas for driving at will. Nissan's 4WS, electric super hikas, significantly increases vehicle stability during lane changes and cornering by steering not only the front wheels but also the rear wheels. When you turn the steering wheel, the rear wheels momentarily turn in the opposite direction to the front wheels, and then the phase reversal control turns the tires in the same direction as the front wheels. Demonstrates steering performance. Furthermore, lateral G-responsive control is also used to optimally control the amount of rear wheel steering angle according to the strength of lateral G. This allows for more reliable control of the vehicle's posture from corner entry to turning and exiting. Together with the exclusive electronically controlled power steering, it allows you to drive as you wish. Rear helical LSD, limited slip differential. In order to meet the advanced handling performance required of sports cars, Silvia has equipped manual transmission vehicles with a torque-sensitive helical LSD that provides excellent response and high vehicle control performance. A helical LSD uses a helical gear, tight pinion gear and side gear to limit the differential movement between the left and right wheels by the frictional force generated between each gear and the differential case and between the meshing tooth surfaces of each gear. It generates torque. As a result, even if the inner wheels slip when the vehicle turns, it is possible to generate driving force to the outer wheels according to the accelerator opening without any time lag, resulting in high traction performance and grip balance. The helical LSD, especially when combined with the 6-speed manual, makes full use of its power, allowing you to fully enjoy the true pleasure of FR driving. Rear viscous LSD, limited slip differential. Automatic vehicles are equipped with a viscous LSD, which uses the viscosity of the silicone oil sealed in the viscous coupling to supply appropriate driving force to the idling side even if either the left or right rear wheel slips. It exhibits high performance in driving stability on slippery surfaces such as snowy roads. High-performance brake system. The SR20 DET vehicle uses a brake system with advanced braking power commensurate with its power. The front is equipped with an opposed 4-piston brake. Furthermore, we have equipped a large 8 plus 9-inch brake booster. Additionally, the SR20 DE vehicle has a front brake with an increased rotor size. Equipped with a 7 plus 9-inch brake booster. Delivers reliable braking performance. Sports-tuned body. To fully enjoy driving a sports car, you need reliable body rigidity that provides high handling stability and excellent ride comfort. For this reason, we have strengthened the structure of each part of the Silvia. In particular, SR20 DET cars and handling package cars use a highly rigid, easy sports-tuned body that has been thoroughly strengthened with special reinforcements around the sides and floor. It delivers the wonderful driving performance that only Silvia can offer. audio system that allows you to always be accompanied by good music. For those who want to be always accompanied by their favorite music, the Silvia's interior has a wonderful acoustic space. A 1DIN Type CD integrated AM/FM electronic tuner radio that freely plays both 12cm CDs and 8cm CDs and allows you to enjoy high-quality digital sound is standard on the Spec S Aero, Spec S6 package, and Spec SG package. Equipment. Equipped with a highly sensitive rear glass antenna, equipped with an amplifier and FM diversity, radio reception performance has also been greatly improved. Silvia holographic sound system. A 2DIN type audio system with an AM/FM electronic tuner radio that allows you to enjoy both CDs and MDs, which are the mainstream music sources. With a total of 200 W of dynamic power and 7 speakers with a rear superwoofer, it reproduces powerful bass and clear treble. It is also equipped with the latest features such as a title display function, a greeting function when turning on and off, and an MD skip prevention function. Comes with a convenient MD or CD autochanger feature. TV/navigation system that allows you to enjoy both navigation and TV. The TV/navigation system is equipped with an electric pop-up 5.8-inch wide LCD monitor that can be opened and closed in the center of the instrument for easy visibility. Equipped with a high-precision navigation system that uses DGPS to more clearly show the location of your vehicle. It has a built-in FM multiplex receiver and can also display traffic congestion information via VICS FM multiplex. It also features a variety of functions such as 3D bird view, which displays the surrounding terrain in a realistic perspective, allowing you to see your route from angles and distances that match your senses, junction view, and 2-screen split display. It also supports future software upgrades. In addition to the navigation function, it is also equipped with a high-performance TV tuner and the latest MD integrated AM/FM electronic tuner radio and 6 speakers, allowing you to freely enjoy TV broadcasts and your favorite music. Air conditioner that always keeps the room fresh. 2 types of air conditioners are available, fully automatic, which digitally displays the set temperature, and manual. The round ventilation grille with rotating function and shut-off function keeps the interior fresh at all times. At Nissan, based on the concept of richness and enjoyment, the idea of security and safety that supports this, we have developed information safety to predict danger, control safety to avoid danger, and safety and security in the event of an emergency. We aim to improve overall safety through triple safety, which includes impact safety to minimize damage. In addition to improving the basic performance of the Silvia, we have also implemented a variety of detailed safety measures based on the concept of triple safety to ensure safe and comfortable driving. Information safety for predicting danger. It is essential for safe driving for drivers to quickly and accurately grasp their surroundings. In addition to a large window area, the Silvia features projector headlamps with optimal light distribution. Additionally, xenon headlamps are available as a manufacturer's option, providing a large amount of natural light similar to sunlight and illuminating further distances. Other features include titanium clear door mirrors that spread raindrops on the mirror surface evenly to make it easier to see what's behind you, long-life water-repellent glass that repels rain, and a rear wiper. This improves visibility at night and in rainy weather. A high-mounted stop lamp, built into the rear spoiler or mounted on the rear parcel, that clearly communicates your braking intentions to the rear is also standard equipment. These items support accurate situational judgment. Control safety to avoid danger. In order to better control the car in an emergency and avoid dangerous situations, Silvia wanted improved braking performance. To ensure reliable braking performance, it is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, including a front ventilated disc brake. SR20 DET model has 4 opposed front pistons, with excellent heat dissipation and a rear disc brake. Additionally, all models are equipped with ABS, anti-lock braking system, which prevents the tires from locking up and makes it easier to steer around obstacles in the event of an accident. Furthermore, we have adopted a brake assist system that enables full braking even in emergencies and fully utilizes the effectiveness of ABS. Additionally, electric super hikas, which improves vehicle control performance during cornering, is also available. Impact safety to minimize damage. The Silvia uses a zone body that achieves world-class collision safety. A crushable zone absorbs collision energy applied to the front and rear of the vehicle, and a safety zone ensures a survival space for occupants. These two zones reduce the impact on occupants in the event of a frontal or rear collision. Furthermore, in the event of a side collision, the side door beams and impact-absorbing doors disperse and transmit the impact to the reinforced sides of the body, minimizing deformation of the vehicle. Through crash tests and computer analyses simulating collisions from various angles, we have completed an excellent body structure equals a high-strength, safe body. It achieves Silvia's high level of safety. In addition to the high-strength zone body, the Silvia is also equipped with a wide range of equipment to protect occupants in the event of an emergency. Positive: in addition to dual airbags, driver/passenger seat SRS airbag system, which instantly inflate in the event of a side collision and cushion the impact on the occupant's head, all models are equipped with dual airbags, driver/passenger SRS airbag system, which instantly inflate to reduce the impact on the occupant's head in the event of a side collision. As a manufacturer option, all models are equipped with an SRS side airbag system for the driver and passenger seats that cushions the impact on the driver's and chest area. Furthermore, the front seats are equipped with 3-point seatbelts with ELR tension reducers that reduce the feeling of pressure when worn, and the rear seats are equipped with 3-point seatbelts with ELR and a child restraint system. Additionally, the power window uses a water-resistant switch circuit. Driver/passenger seat SRS airbag system and driver/passenger seat SRS side airbag system. The airbag is a reproduction of the inflated state for photographing purposes. In addition, in the event of an actual collision, side airbags inflate only on the side of the collision. The driver/passenger SRS airbag system is activated in the event of a head-on collision with a thick concrete wall at a speed of 25 km/h or more. Therefore, it will not work in the following cases: when the vehicle is involved in a side collision or a rear-end collision, when the vehicle overturns or capsizes, collision after the airbag has been activated. In addition, there are other precautions such as not installing a rear-facing child seat on the passenger seat in vehicles with dual airbags, so be sure to read the instruction manual. The driver/passenger SRS side airbag system deploys when a typical passenger car collides with the side, near the front seat passenger, from the side at a speed of 25 km/h or more. In the case of a collision after the airbag has been activated, it will not be activated. For vehicles with side airbags, please be sure to read the instruction manual as there are precautions such as using a front seat cover that does not cover the side of the seat, driver/passenger seat SRS side airbag storage area, please. Additionally, the genuine Nissan seat cover available as a dealer option is compatible with the SRS side airbag system. SRS equals supplemental restraint system. Side collision experiment using a prototype vehicle. Actual conditions at the time of a collision vary depending on various conditions such as the energy of the collision and the direction of the collision. Side door beam. Colored for explanation. We will continue for the sake of the future. Nissan Green Program. It is a general term for the activities we carry out to support our environmental philosophy of coexistence of people, cars, and nature. We will promote this activity throughout the company, including not only the production and development departments involved in car manufacturing, but also the sales and service departments. Environmentally friendly LEV. Cleaning exhaust gas is one of the important issues for environmental conservation. At Nissan, we are developing exhaust system technology as part of our efforts to preserve the environment, based on the idea of balancing environmental friendliness and driving comfort. The Silvia uses a newly developed catalyst for vehicles equipped with the SR20DE engine, which lowers CO, carbon monoxide, HC, hydrocarbons, and NOx, nitrogen oxide, emissions in 10/15 mode to current levels. The LEV, low-emission vehicle, is set to 1/10 of the regulation value, achieving cleaner exhaust emissions. Silvia LEV exhaust gas value, 10/15 mode. Silvia's consideration for the environment. Protection of the ozone layer. To protect the ozone layer, we use ozone-safe air conditioners that use a new refrigerant, HFC 134A. Recycling. Silvia has achieved a recyclability rate of 90%. Based on Nissan's own calculation standards, weight basis. We have actively adopted easily recyclable materials, thermoplastic resins, for many parts such as bumpers and glove boxes, and have also integrated the types of materials used. We have also taken various measures to improve the car's recyclability, such as taking into account the ease of removing parts and adopting many structures that are easy to recycle. Recycled resources are used for many parts. For example, the footrest is made from recycled material made from recycled bumpers. Materials are indicated, marked, on most resin and some rubber products. Lead reduction. The radiator and heater core are made of aluminum without using lead solder. Additionally, the fuel tank is made of resin that does not require lead plating. Disclosure of environmental information. We have published the Nissan Silvia Environmental Note to introduce customers to environmental initiatives and data at each stage of the Silvia's manufacturing, use, disposal, and recycling. Stop the engine when parking to avoid wasting resources. The only automaker to receive the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Best of the Best Stratospheric Ozone Protection Award, September 1997. Nissan was recognized for its proactive efforts to protect the ozone layer, including the use of alternative refrigerants and the recovery and reuse of specified fluorocarbons. Inner green that gently envelopes passengers. New indoor comfort performance. Indoors that are always filled with clean air. In order to keep the interior of the Silvia in a clean condition and to ensure that you always feel refreshed while riding in Silvia, an electrostatic dust collection type clean filter is installed inside the air conditioner's cooler unit. The action of this filter removes dust, pollen, dust, etc. that mix with the outside air and are brought into the car interior. In addition, by filtering the air during internal air circulation, it removes dust and other particles, keeping the room clean at all times. Antibacterial specification to keep easily touched areas clean. Silvia is equipped with highly effective antibacterial equipment that prevents the growth of germs that may be brought in from outside the vehicle on hands or other surfaces. In addition to the steering wheel, shift knob, and parking brake lever, which are often touched by the driver's hands, the console lid. All parts are treated with antibacterial treatment. The antibacterial effect lasts, keeping the room clean for a long time. The SIAA mark is a mark displayed on products whose quality has been controlled in accordance with the antibacterial performance and safety guidelines of the Antibacterial Product Technology Council. Skin-friendly Silvia window glass. The door glass of all cars is made of UV-cut insulating green glass that blocks about 90% of ultraviolet rays, UV, protecting your skin from sunburn and other problems caused by direct sunlight while riding. Adopted by. It also has an excellent insulation effect that reduces the transmission of near-infrared rays. increasing the cooling efficiency of air conditioners. Additionally, the rear side and rear windows have been painted dark gray, and privacy glass, with UV protection and heat insulation, is also available to block the view into the interior. The electric glass sunroof also features privacy glass. Equipment with a focus on sportiness. We have equipped it with equipment that gives it a sporty feel that is unique to the Silvia. The exterior includes projector headlamps with a new design, aero parts that enhance the driving image, and an electric privacy glass sunroof. A sporty titanium-like finisher has been adopted for the instrument panel of SR20 DET cars and Spec S6 package. The area around the driver's seat is also fresh, with a boost gauge, Spec R and package, and oil pressure gauge, Spec S Aero, placed on the front pillar. Additionally, it is equipped with a two-way trunk through-hole that allows the seat back to be folded down from the trunk side, increasing convenience. Driving Performance Curve Diagram. SR20 DET, 6-speed manual. Engine Performance Curve Diagram. SR20 DET, 6-speed manual. SR20 DET, full-range electronic control for speed automatic. SR20DE, 5-speed manual. SR20DE, full-range electronic control for speed automatic. Another high-performance Silvia S15 version. Unlike a turbo, the sharp pickup and linear response unique to NA, while being controllable to the last claims explosive growth at high rotations. It would be nice to have a Silvia with such a unit in its heart. This was the start of planning for the Silvia S15 version, aiming in a different direction from Silvia's top unit, which boasts explosive power, the SR20 DET Turbo. For more than 30 years since its debut, the Silvia has maintained the style of a compact FR sports coupe. The latest model equals S15 inherits this tradition. In order to bring out the high driving qualities of this car even more vividly, we have poured Auteca's unique attention to NA tuning into everything from the engine, powertrain, brake system, suspension, to the cockpit, and created the Auteca version. It has been elevated to a level where it can be called a name. 1. Improvement of combustion efficiency by increasing compression ratio. 2. Improving exhaust efficiency in the high rotation range by reducing back pressure. 3. Tuning the valve timing and lift amount to bring out the desired torque characteristics, so to speak. We used the traditional NA tuning method. Maximum output 200 PS/7200 RPM. The maximum torque output of 21.8 kgm/4800 RPM is by no means a pursuit of peak power, but rather aims to make the Silvia's driving scene stand out more and bring the ultimate joy to drivers who love NA. It's nothing but the result. Increased compression ratio. Adopts a high compression type dedicated piston. The compression ratio has been increased from 10.0 to 11.7 in an effort to improve basic combustion efficiency. Gear ratio comparison chart. Dedicated exhaust system. Combustion gases exhausted from the highly efficient engine are guided to the front tube via a stainless steel equal-length manifold jointly developed with Fujitsu Gaiken. The manifold is a 4-in-1 type that prioritizes exhaust efficiency in the high rotation range. The front tube is also a special type with a large diameter. Furthermore, the center tube and main muffler are also exclusive to the Auteca version, which reduces back pressure. Cam profile and NVCS dedicated tuning. To improve volumetric efficiency in the high rotation range, both intake and exhaust cam profiles have been changed to increase overlap and lift. On the other hand, by special tuning of Nissan's proprietary variable valve timing control system, NVCS, we succeeded in increasing output in the high rotation range without sacrificing torque in the mid to low speed range. Dedicated computer ROM data. The fuel injection amount and ignition timing to support the aforementioned tuning are controlled by a computer ROM that has been set to the optimal values through repeated experiments. Sodium-filled valve. A sodium-filled valve is used for the exhaust valve, which is exposed to higher temperatures due to higher rotations. This reduces the temperature rise around the head and improves combustion efficiency. Dedicated lightweight flywheel and clutch system. In order to further improve the response of the power unit obtained through the above menu, we have adopted a specially machined lightweight flywheel, manufactured by Nismo. Additionally, in order to minimize power loss, we increased the diameter of the clutch disc and increased the crimp force of the clutch cover. Since a special flywheel is used, gear noise may occur from the transmission, but this does not affect performance. 6-speed manual transmission. In order to demonstrate the true value of the high-performance power unit, it was necessary to set a gear ratio that would not disturb the torque band when shifting up in the high rotation range. Therefore, the Autech version uses the same close ratio 6-speed manual transmission used in the Spec R. Combined with a final ratio of 4.083, it achieves quick startup acceleration. Rear helical LSD, limited slip differential. A torque-sensitive type rear helical LSD is used to provide high traction performance and flexible accelerator control. Highly rigid chassis and body. In order to ensure chassis performance commensurate with the 200 PS output, we have adopted the highly rigid chassis and body that has earned a reputation for Spec R. The degree of perfection as an Autech version has been increased. A sports-tuned suspension is used for the suspension, and 205/55 R16. Bridgestone Potenza RE711 wheels with excellent grip and control performance and 16-inch aluminum road wheels ensure power is transmitted to the road surface. The brakes are opposed 4-piston brakes and an 8+9-inch brake booster to ensure sufficient braking force against the power. Furthermore, the body is a sport-tuned body that provides excellent handling stability and ensures high rigidity. Engine performance curve diagram. SR20DE tuned engine. Silvia Autech version main specifications. Engine SR20D. Base car name model Nissan GFS15. Driving type 6-speed manual. Vehicle model symbol GBYARTFS15ED4P B4AZ. Dimensions mm. Total length x width x height 4445 by 1695 by 1285. Indoor dimensions length x width x height 1640 by 1390 by 1070. Wheelbase 2525. Tread front/back 1470/1460. Minimum ground height 130. Engine main specifications. Model twin cam SR20DE. Type/number of cylinders water-cooled inline 4-cylinder DOHC. Cylinder inner diameter x-stroke mm 86.0 by 86.0. Total displacement cc 1998. Compression ratio 11.7. Maximum output PS/RPM 200/7200. Maximum torque kgm/RPM 21.8/4800. Fuel supply system Nissan EGI ECCS electronically controlled fuel injection system. Fuel used/tank capacity unleaded premium gasoline /65. Transmission ratio/final reduction ratio. Gear ratio first gear/2 ND gear/3 RD gear/4 TH gear/5 TH gear/6 TH gear/reverse. Final reduction ratio 4.083. Figure weight and capacity. Vehicle weight 1,200 kilograms. Seating capacity 4 people. Gross vehicle weight 1,420 kilograms. Performance. Minimum turning radius 4.9 m. Various devices. Drive system rear-wheel drive. Steering gear type, rack and pinion type with power assist. Suspension method front/rear, strut type/ multi-link type. Main brake. Front/rear, ventilated disc type/disc type. Tire. Front/rear, 205/55 R1689V Bridgestone Potenza RE711. All engine outputs displayed in this catalog are net values. Engine output display has net value and gross value. Gross is the measurement of the engine alone, and net is the measurement under almost the same conditions as when the engine is installed in the vehicle. When measured with the same engine, net is about 15% lower than gross for gasoline-powered vehicles, according to the Japan Automobile Manufacturers Association. Please use premium unleaded gasoline for this vehicle. If unleaded premium gasoline is not available, unleaded regular gasoline can also be used, but phenomena such as a reduction in engine output may occur. All of these vehicles are small passenger cars, 5 number plates. This vehicle will be registered as a carry-on and will be handled by Autech Japan.